9 years old. Rhett, a very happy birthday to you, my ball player, out in Uniontown.
All right.
The
And
U! Throw it up!
somebody's making a mess. Gabriella McGuire turning 11 years old. Her birthday was yesterday, celebrating in Oswego.
Gabby got on that birthday cake now. Happy birthday, kiddo. Robbie Stafford celebrating a 15th birthday. Robbie, I want you to have a great day in Golden City.
All right. And Gunnar Wixon is turning 44 years old this
Nice
year.
catch.
Check out that catch. Nice. Gunnar is in Baxter Springs.
Nice one, Gunner. Nice one. Trying to figure out where he was. He's not going to tell me. Catch something like that, you're not going to let anybody know. Good picture, Gunner. Clyde and Tap of the Pickle. This is where we leave off from yesterday there. Congratulations to Clyde and Tabitha, marvelous family photo. They're celebrating their 11th anniversary. The Pickle family is in Knoll.
So sorry we couldn't share your picture yesterday, but I'm glad we were able to get it today. Happy anniversary. And Sandra Dietz celebrating in Pittsburgh. What a great picture there. Her birthday was on Saturday. Of course, this is one of our own graphic artist, Will York's aunts.
Patrick Richardson, a happy birthday in Columbus. We got to find out why we don't have Patrick's picture. That's okay. Because Patrick, I want you to have a marvelous day, my friend. Emma Lynn, she is also in the bus. A very happy birthday to Emma. And Elaine Hunsinger, celebrating number 80. Happy birthday, Miss Hunsinger. She is in Pittsburgh.
Gay Adams celebrating birthday number 45 in Fredonia. Nicole Berger, it's double nickels for Nicole in Frontenac, 55. And Bob Davis, happy birthday number 66 in Jasper.
I hope, Bob, I know you live on the Missouri side, but I don't know if you ever get confused with the Bob Davis of the Kansas Jayhawks and of the sometimes Kansas City Royals right there. I do a pretty good Bob Davis.
Oh yeah.
My Bob Davis kind of sounds like my Denny impersonation, though. They kind of sound the same. Bob Davis. Rylan Mirandi, celebrating a 9th birthday. Rylan, this birthday love comes from Grandma, and Rylan is in Parsons. Russell Rector, happy 58th birthday to Russell in Miami. And Sharon Bleelo, a happy birthday to you in Miami as well. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, and thank you for those of you celebrating yesterday and letting us carry your celebration into today for your patience. That's where you can turn them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can go to the interweb and go to KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up, and once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.